Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 4-hour because you're new to charts and trading, then instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like a couple of months worth of time. It's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame, but it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours after I upload it, then yeah, the chart's going to look a little bit different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So the first big dynamic here that remains in play, and this will be the first question that you want to ask yourself. So let's just use that 20-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 20 hours from now. Question number one becomes, where's the price at relative to 9,300? That is a very, very important, very, very kind of stubborn area of resistance right now. And I say stubborn because you go back here through the history of the chart and you can see that that's right where the price has been rejected from previously. And then even, since the last video I did, the price didn't hit it exactly, but it definitely got within the general vicinity of that area. And once again is struggling. So that is why question number one you need to be taking an inventory check on is, where is the price at relative to 9,300? Now, if you're saying that the price is up above 9,300, at that point, it's just a matter of gut instincts, common sense, meaning the higher the price is up above 9,300, the more bullish, the more attractive the chart has become. So, if it's at 9,350, hey, that's great. It's above 9,300. If it's up there at 9,800, well, that's just that much more of a bullish situation. So from that angle, like I said, let your common sense and gut instincts guide you. Now, if you're answering the question that the price is down below 9,300, the next immediate question you're going to want to ask yourself is, okay, well, where is the price at relative to this area down here at 86.50? 86.50 is really starting to become a pretty established level here. Several times you can see the price has been down around that area and has held up nicely. So that would be the next level that you would want to ask yourself, assuming, of course, again, you're answering that first question that the price is down below 9,300. And then the exact opposite is also true, meaning, well, what happens if the price is down below 86.50? Well, at that point, the further down below the price is from that level, that just means the more bearish, the more unattractive the chart has become. So from either of those angles, common sense will go a long way. But really the moral of the story here is that as of right now, Bitcoin is entering into the sideways channel pattern. Again, top of the channel up there at 9,300, bottom of the channel down there at 86.50. And right now, it's just a matter of waiting to see which way it ultimately breaks. So let's see how this one plays out. But keep your eye on those levels, and we'll see what happens over the next 24 hours. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.